WhatsApp has recently launched new camera effects designed to enhance your photos, videos, and video calls. Follow these steps to enable and use these features. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. From the available options, navigate to Privacy. Swipe up to scroll down. Under the Chat Lock option, you will find the new update, Allow Camera Effects. Tap the slider next to it to enable the feature. Review the features of the update, then tap the Continue button. Now, return to your chat screen and tap the camera icon at the top. Tap Effects in the bottom left corner. Choose from various filters and backgrounds to apply in real time. These features are available on both iOS and Android devices. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version to access these enhancements. Once selected, capture your photo or video with the effect applied. So that's how you can enable and use WhatsApp's new camera effects for photos, videos,